Hello, this is Matthew Brown for prjAndroidDBF. Today I'll be showing you how my contact list that I created for this project works. Simply get into it, I can just press back. That brings me to my icon page. The name of it's prjAndroid because I had to use a previous project file to create this, since the platform has to facilitate fragments, and this one was not a fragmented style of project. So simply I just used it. As you can see, I have 5 contacts there. The way that these are put in there is just by clicking on register, which will bring you to the registration page. Now, just for time's sake, I can just hit submit. These are just default values I have put in there. And if it works correctly, it should be then displaying that right there. The list view is only so long, and then I can delete this field if I'd like to by clicking on it, and then that'll inform the program to go to this activity, and I can just click delete or update. I can change anything and just hit update, and it updates into the database. But I'm just going to delete this for now, and you'll be able to see that it's gone from there. Now, the way this works, it starts out where you have your registration activity, your main activity, and your edit activity. And then you also have your adapter and your open helper. Now, apart from all this other code, really the meat and bones of the SQL starts here with the final static strings. So I've created this script which equals the create table, which then has the table name and then the subsequent field entries. So then this ties back into the registration adapter, where it's then utilizing the SQLite database that it's created in the registration adapter, which I'll show you in a minute. And then it runs this script. So then it's then writing this script into the table, which is the list view. And as you can see, my class right here is public open helper, which comes into play in each of these subsequent pages. So if I click on this, I'll be able to show you. So this registration open helper is huge when it's updating and editing the database. This is actually just looking into each of these field names. So as you can see here, it's utilizing the SQL database. So with this here, it says open to read. So it's using the SQLite database, which is the OB part of it, to create a new open helper. And then that looks inside the database name, and then for this it will open it to write it to the database, hence the get writable database method there. And then it returns that to the list view to populate the fields. This portion right here, insert details, is being facilitated by the main activity.java, insofar as it's grabbing the information in this adapter, and then it's using the main activity.java to display it onto the page using the list view. Now, on the main activity.java file, you'll see here in the code that I've created a string of the fname, lname, and phone, which had been converted from the text fields that you enter, and then it plugs it into the TVF name, TVL name, and TV phone, which is inside the row.xml, which is the list view. So it's taking all that and inserting it into there using the name list, and the name list, which uses the set adapter method. And then this is just the on click to go to the register intent, or you can enter the information into there. I want to take a moment to show you this text view, or what controls the text view rather. You can see here these entries, fname, lname, and phone, which was from the main activity.java that had been converted from the text boxes. You can see those being called into view right here. So this is the list view, and these are the entries. And I want to thank you for viewing this. Sorry about the length, but have a great day and a great summer. Bye.